Jerry Taft, Realtor and Personal Real Estate Corporation with Mountain Town Properties. I'm based in Invermere, BC, and this is my new listing, 4362 SZABO Road in Spur Valley. This is a really cute 3-bedroom cabin on a double-sized lot, almost 3/4 of an acre of land. It's got some retro charm, and it really has to be seen, so I want to show you this property. I'm really excited about it. Let's go take a look. All right, so here we are at the front of the property, and just want to give you a sense of SZABO Road is a really low traffic road. The Spur Valley area is about 12 minutes north of Radium. It's a beautiful area. It's quiet, it's rural, but it's also kind of classy. You know, you don't see a lot of junk in the yard, and it's kind of a mix of full-time homes and cabins. So this is the cabin. You can see right here. It is situated fully on one lot. The septic, everything is on one lot. So the second lot, the lot line was canceled, but it is completely unbuilt on. So it gives you tons of space, lots of future options. And right here where the driveway is basically the boundary between the two lots where the lot line was canceled. And just want to kind of give you a sense of just how much space there is. And these lots are quite deep. In total, you have almost 3/4 of an acre of land to work with. So this is sort of the start of the vacant part of the land here. And again, it goes quite a ways over here. And I'm just going to show you there's a second driveway. So there's kind of a second driveway right here. And the neighbor's kind of holiday trailer and some of their stuff is pretty close to the property line here. But really nice piece of land. And we'll show you a bit more of the property in the yard after we go through the house. So what you'll notice is you've got a really long driveway, you've got lots of parking, and it's in a natural kind of forest condition. So the yard does not require a lot of maintenance, but you almost have this urban forest. You can hear birds chirping, it's super natural, and it just gives you that feeling of the cabin in the woods. And yet you're on a community water system, you've got full power, so it's kind of the best of both worlds. So you can see this is sort of facing west, so in the summer you get a lot of sun on the front here. And so you've got the choice also of going to the front or the back to get in or out of the sun, depending on the time of day. So let's pop inside and take a look. So we've got this full kitchen here, and it is worth noting, as you kind of notice, there's beautiful hardwood floors that were installed after the cabin. And it's a very functional kitchen, lots of counter space, lots of cabinet space. The other thing worth noting, the electrical is upgraded, so you've got a 200 amp panel, tons of power. And let's continue on to the main floor here. So we've got a nice open concept, lots of wood, got that real cabin feel to it. Super cozy, super cute. So it's such a comfortable space, and it's got that retro charm. It's kind of timeless in a way. We've got a really nice high producing wood stove in the corner, which really helps to make the whole place really cozy, but it also has a forced air electric furnace as well. So let's kind of continue on over here. So on the main floor here we've got a full bath, and we've got a shower and a bath, and of course this was redone. It's not completely original, and it's in really good condition. You do notice just how clean everything is and how lightly used it is. Let's continue on into the bedroom here. So we've got a nice bedroom here, perfect for a cabin. It's not super huge, but it is functional, and it's main floor. And we've got a little bit of storage under the stairs, which is really nice to have. So nice feature. We'll head upstairs, but it's worth noting that under here is access into the crawl space. So there is a full crawl space, and that is where the hot water tank and the furnace is located. And a nice dry crawl space. So let's continue on upstairs. We've got 2 more bedrooms to check out. Here's we have the consistent flooring, so the same hardwood flooring throughout, which is really nice. And we've got decent sized rooms. These are actually quite large rooms. Some nice wood paneling. Some views of the backyard here, which is also nice. Pretty much everything you can see is in your own property here. And just going to kind of pan around so you can get a sense of the entire room. And then we'll continue on over here to the 3rd bedroom. Again, another nice room. Depending on what you wanted to do, you could throw some bunk beds in. Definitely options. There's so much space on the property too that you could add on, build a second house or cabin. Lots of different options. So let's go check out this deck here. Pop out over here. Facing west here. You've got glimpses of mountains, lots of sun in the summer, but you've also got trees for shade, and a really nice view up here from this deck. I'm just going to show you behind the cabin here, and of course there's still a bit of snow that's just melting right now, but a really nice patio area back here. This is facing east, so you get some morning sun, and then on those hot summer days, this is a really nice place to hang out, a little bit cooler, and really nice feeling. You got a fire pit down below here, lots of sheds, you got some firewood storage, and then this is basically going on to the second lot part of the property. So let's go take a look at that. So yeah, here we are in the second lot. The lot kind of goes back to that big tree there, and kind of back behind. I'll show you from up above the back corner. Here we are kind of up at the back corner, so this will be the southeast corner of the property. Kind of up above the cabin here. And then you can sort of see just how far the land goes. You can barely make out some of the neighboring cabins, but you've got a lot of privacy, a lot of space, and a lot of trees. So in conclusion, this is a true cabin in the woods, a beautiful piece of property in a great location. It's being sold fully furnished, turnkey, ready to go. You can start enjoying it, make memories this summer, and you can always switch things out as you go. But this is a great way to get into the valley, get into the real estate market. It's also viable as a year-round home. So some people might actually choose to live in this year-round. And then with the space for the land, it just gives you so many options and so much opportunity. So check out the 3D tour and reach out to myself or your realtor to view this property in person. Thank you very much.